Initiation by Sadhguru at midnight, explosive meditations, Sadhguru's discourses, and a spectacular cultural performance by renowned artists. The event is being translated live into 22 languages, 11 Indian and 11 global. The live stream can be accessed on Sadhguru YouTube. The chief guest of this year's Mahashivratri celebrations, the Honorable Union Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation, Shri Amit Shah, will be joining us shortly, and then we will begin. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see on the screens that Shri Amit Shah has arrived and is in conversation with Sadhguru. The conversation is taking place at Surya Kund. We also have many other guests who have arrived and some who will be joining us soon. The Honorable Governor of Punjab, Shri Gulab Chand Kataria, and his wife, Srimati Anita Kataria. The Honorable Governor of Odisha, Shri Haribabu Kambhampati, and his wife, Srimati Jayashree Kambhampati. The Honorable Union Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, Shri L. Murugan, and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri D.K. Shivakumar. Sadhguru and the Honorable Union Minister of Home Affairs, Shri Amit Shah, visiting the Naga. In the yogic tradition, as well as in many cultures around the world, the serpent holds special significance for its ability to be still and its extraordinary sense of perception. Consecrated by Sadhguru, the Naga's energies are extremely supportive for health, prosperity, and exploring the mystical dimensions of life. Sadhguru will now be tying an Abhay Sutra to the Honorable Union Minister. The Abhay Sutra, specially consecrated thread that is tied around one's wrist. Abhay literally means beyond fear, and the sutra is supportive in overcoming one's fears and fulfilling one's ambitions. Shri Amit Shah and Sadhguru leaving Suryakund and Naga and walking towards Nandi now. Nandi, who is Adiyogi's eternal companion, also revered as an access point to Adiyogi. I must mention here that Sadhguru has also consecrated Naga at Sadhguru Sannadhi in Bengaluru, the first consecration of its kind in over 800 years, opening up a possibility that will reverberate for thousands of years and benefit millions of people. An important lore of Adiyogi, Nandi, is a symbol of eternal waiting, which is considered a very important quality for spiritual growth. Sadhguru and Shri Amit Shah in intense conversation as they move towards the consecrated spaces. Getting a glimpse of Suryakund from a higher point. As the students of Samskriti project sitting there on the steps and chanting, Shri Amit Shah taking in the ambience which is so special at the Isha Yoga Center. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah An aerial view of the Isha Yoga Center. Verdant, special, spiritual, and consecrated. Descending the steps from the Surya Kund, moving towards Nandi now. As I mentioned, Nandi is one of the world's largest metal installations of its kind. This Nandi has been consecrated by Sadhguru, filled with vibhuti, turmeric, sesame, and other natural herbs to radiate a certain field of energy. What a beautiful view of Isha Yoga Center. Dressed for this special day, the day of Mahashivratri, the day of awakening. Every month, on the spiritually auspicious day of Pradosham, devotees have the opportunity to participate in Nandi Abhyanga, a process during which they can offer oil and ghee lamps to Nandi. Sadhguru has designed this process to make devotees receptive to the grace and energies of Nandi. And as you can see, Nandi patiently waiting, a symbol of spiritual growth, a symbol of receptivity, a symbol of meditative power. Once again, I share with you that Sadhguru has also consecrated a 21-foot Nandi at Sadhguru Sannadhi in Bengaluru. Sri Amit Shah now offering the tamara or the lotus flower to the Nandi. The magnificent Nandi as he looks down on all his devotees. Sadhguru explaining the finer details, the special decorations that are adorning the walls of the shrines. Accompanied by Sadhguru and many other officials, the Union Minister now walking to the Devi temple to have a darshan of Linga Bhairavi Devi. These are all special spaces that have been consecrated specially by Sadhguru. The Linga Bhairavi, the ultimate manifestation of the divine feminine, powerful and all-encompassing, fierce and compassionate at once. The mural that you can see as they pass by, the Trimurti panel,
Mahadevam Mahatmanam Mahadhyanam Parayanam Mahapapaharam Devam Makaraya Namo Namaha. Mahadevam Mahatmanam Mahadhyanam Parayanam.
The prostrate figure that you saw was the Devi Dandam, and as he's entering the Linga Bhairavi shrine, we've got the Vatavriksha, which plays a significant role in Daha Nivaranam, a ritual designed to quench one's deepest desires. Sri Amit Shah offering Tirtham or sacred water to the banyan tree and decorating it with jasmine flowers. The Devi's Trishul, representing her raw and fierce energy, where the Honorable Union Minister has offered a ghee lamp or Nei Deepam.
Jagannatham Lokanugrahakarakam Shivamekapadam Nityam.
Offering a ghee lamp to the Trishul symbolizes one's desire to rise above all limitations and dispel the darkness within. As our dignitary moving towards the inner sanctum of Linga Bhairavi, where he will offer Samarpanam to the Devi. Samarpanam comprises an offering of a coconut, kumkum, turmeric, betel nut, jasmine flowers, vilva and neem leaves, and Naivedyam to Devi for the overall well-being of individuals and families. In keeping with the spirit of the feminine, the Sanctum Sanctorum of Linga Bhairavi is taken care of entirely by women devotees called Bhairagini Mas and Devi Upasakas. The energy of Linga Bhairavi strengthens the three basic chakras in the human system, stabilizing one's body, mind, and energy systems. Whether a devotee seeks to acquire, enjoy, or transcend the physical and material aspects of life, the Devi assists in whatever one's aspirations may be. A Devi pendant and chain being given to the Union Home Minister by Sadhguru. Doubly blessed. by the Devi and Sadhguru.
क्षत्रियायुधं त्रिजन्मपापसंहारं एकबिल्वं
Samarpaman done. Prasadam be given.
अखण्डबिल्वपत्रेण
Our guests will now move out of the sanctum sanctorum
शुध्यन्ति सर्वपापेभ्यो
and proceed towards Chandrakund.
अखण्डबिल्वपत्रेण पूजिते नन्दिकेश्वरे शुध्यन्ति सर्वपापेभ्यो एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम् शालिग्रामशिलामेखा बिभ्राणां जातु चार्पयेत् सोमयज्ञमहापुण्यम् एकबिल्वं
The Union Minister
शिवार्पणम्
for Home Affairs now tying the Mangalya Bala Sutra, a turmeric dyed thread with turmeric root around the Trishul. The sutra is an appeal for Devi's grace and for the well-being of one's family.
एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्
The Devi's Trishul representing her raw and fierce energy. So many wishes, so many prayers, all tied together and woven around the Trishul. Sadhguru escorting the Union Minister for Home Affairs and the Minister for Cooperation, Shri Amit Shah, towards Chandrakund. The Chandrakund is the feminine counterpart to Suryakund, a sacred water body with an energized linga consecrated by Sadhguru specially for women. Embedded 30 feet below the ground, Chandrakund is approached by a descent of massive steps that number 32. And you have a gushing waterfall at one end. It is significant to note that the Kumbh Mela that occurs after 144 years is also concluding today at Prayagraj. Students of Sadhguru Samskriti Gurukula chanting there. All the dignitaries following behind our main guests. The Kund is framed by gigantic granite stones. All special sacred spaces. Sadhguru explaining the construct of the Chandrakund. You have the 32 massive steps that lead to the water that is down below, the linga embedded, and the mural that you can see, vibrant natural colors, vegetable dyes in the traditional 15th century Kerala style of painting. This too depicts the Kumbh Mela, with a sacred river flowing down the center, crowds of yogis and ascetics on one side of the bank and householders on the other side of the bank. the way the Kumbh Mela used to be celebrated historically. And as I mentioned, the Kumbh Mela is concluding today at Prayagraj. A very special day for all of us.
सर्वपापेभ्यो एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम् अखण्डबिल्वपत्रेण पूजिते नन्दिकेश्वरे शुद्ध्यन्ति सर्वपापेभ्यो
We now have
शिवार्पणम् शालिग्रामशिलामेघां बिभ्राणां
the dream of many enlightened beings, the Dhyana Linga, which was consecrated by Sadhguru after 3 years of intense process of Prana Pratishtha, a pure energy process wherein the energies of all 7 chakras are raised to the peak and locked to prevent dissipation over time. The doorway to enlightenment and liberation, Dhyana Linga, offers the spiritual seeker the opportunity to do sadhana in the most intimate way, in the presence of a live guru, an opportunity traditionally available to only a select few. Here, they will participate in Panchabhuta Kriya. But before it begins, the Honorable Union Minister will offer a Linga Jyoti to Dhyana Linga. You can see the stambha here with all the different faiths represented on its facade. The all faith stambha, the Sarva Dharma stambha. The Union Minister will be joined by the other distinguished guests that we have attending this auspicious Mahashivratri night at the Isha Yoga Center. And as I had mentioned their names before, the Honorable Governor of Punjab and his wife, the Honorable Governor of Odisha and his wife, the Union Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, Shri L. Murugan, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri D.K. Shivakumar, all will be seated inside as the Union Minister for Home Affairs joins them inside. Panels that we have on the walls leading inside the Dhyana Linga, portraying the Shiva Bhats. The Union Minister will now offer the Linga Jyoti to Dhyana Linga. This is a unique lamp that combines the elements of water and fire and has been designed by Sadhguru to be offered to Dhyana Linga as a symbol of purification and light. Sri Amit Shah adorning himself with the black shawl that is usually worn as you enter Dhyana Linga. With the Linga Jyoti that will be offered to Dhyana Linga. You can already see our guests seated inside, waiting for the Panchabhuta Kriya to begin. Going in procession around the Dhyana Linga to place the lamp in front. Sri Amit Shah making an offering of the Panchabhutas, or the 5 elements, and flowers to Dhyana Linga. The Tamara once again, the lotus flower.
क्षणं पापनाशनम् अघोरपापसंहारम् एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम् दर्शनं त्रिगुणाकारं त्रिनेत्रं च त्रिआयुधम्.
The Panchabhuta Kriya invoking a certain aspect of Shiva known as Bhuteshwara or the master of elements.